Here I have OMODA, and let me explain what is the discharge function and how to enable this function. So at the very beginning, if you are the OMODA user, you should be familiar with this home screen. Then let's open here the apps icon. It's the second icon from the left down corner. Now you should see the list of all applications of your OMODA infotainment system. Choose here the new energy, this green icon right here. And as you can see, now you can use the left menu. Select here the discharge limit. As you can see, here we've got the discharge function. You can enable this feature just by using this toggle. So it turns on the V2OL system. When enabled, the car will export electricity from its main high voltage battery pack through the charging port to power external devices. You can also choose the discharge limit. As you can see, the limit can be from 30% to even 100, of course, but 30% is the lowest. You can go any lower, so let me set on 30%. So what it does, this is your safety net. It prevents the car from completely draining its own battery while powering external devices. If you set to 30%, the V2OL power delivery will automatically shut off the moment the car's battery drops to 30%, ensuring you still have enough range to drive to the nearest charging station. So I think it's quite useful, so I will leave it like that. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.